If you've lost a significant amount of hair and the medical treatments have stopped working, it might be the right time for you to consider a hair transplant. But for hair transplant, timing is very crucial. The earlier you act, the better quality of the donor area, the more natural and the more healthy and well-presented result is what you'll finally get. Waiting too long could mean that your donor area gets weakened, and that's how your final result will also be according to that. It may not be that healthy. That is why a proper diagnosis at the right time is what is required. In DHI, each and every diagnosis is doctor-led. It is backed by science, and also it is personalized according to your pattern of hair loss. After all, hair transplant is a scientific decision and not just a cosmetic one.